In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit time off on Fresha using this step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're a business owner or a staff manager, knowing how to manage time off for your team is more important than ever. Let's get started by ensuring you're logged into the right account. Head over to Fresha via the website or open up the Fresha app on your device. Once you're there, log in using your email and password. Just ensure that you're accessing the account as a business owner or staff manager, as this will give you the necessary permissions to make these changes. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the menu, you'll want to click on the settings option, which is represented by the gear icon. After clicking on settings, you'll see an option for staff and availability. This is where you need to go to edit the time off. From here, select the staff member whose schedule you need to adjust. You'll then see options like time off, holidays, or manage time off depending on your interface version. Let's look at how you can add new time off. You'll find options like add time off or new time off. Click on this and a calendar should appear where you can select both the start and end dates for the time off. Depending on the purpose, you may also be prompted to choose a type of time off, such as holiday or personal leave. For clarity and future reference, you might want to add a note detailing the reason for the time off. Sometimes you may need to make changes to an existing time off entry. Locate the current entry you'd like to modify and click on it to make adjustments. You'll have the option to edit the start and end dates, or perhaps even the specific time. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to hit save to update and confirm those edits. If you need to remove or cancel a time off entry instead, you'll follow a similar process. First, select the time off entry that you wish to delete. Look for an option that says delete or cancel. Click on that and confirm the removal, which will update the schedule and make the staff member available again. As a final step, always make sure to verify these changes on the Fresha booking page. Ensure that your clients are unable to book appointments during the staff's scheduled time off. Additionally, double check that the service availability reflects the updated staff schedule so everything aligns as it should, ensuring a smooth experience for both clients and staff. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and edit staff time off on Fresha, ensuring that your business runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.